Hey everybody, got a package in the mail today. It's soft, flexible, just arrived just a few minutes ago. This is from Tru Spec, T-R-U-S-P-E-C. It's a tactical clothing and outfitter site, and we've got a few things here to try out. There's a boonie cap, camouflage. So we'll go over all these things in detail later. Full featured tactically inspired apparel that is versatile enough to wear on duty or off duty in any situation. The go-to multi-purpose clothing for the toughest tactical assignment, combined with comfort and style for any casual or outdoor activity. So here's the boonie cap with should be somewhat water resistant, but that's going to help me keep the sun off my head when I'm out in the boonies. What I like about it is you can crunch it up and throw it in your bag. That's great. And we've got here a tactical response uniform shirt, also from Tru Spec, and there's some velcro stick-ons for your labels if you wanted to put your name and labels on there. And we'll be checking all this out later. So there, I want to have to zoom out for that to get the whole view, but that is a woodland camouflage BDU type shirt with, from my understanding, their own special design. They've got some special features built into their clothing, which we will cover later in all detail on the full and final review. So they got some pockets here for stuffing things into, all velcro. Looks like yeah, this has velcro and a zipper. Nice official label. Nylon and cotton. That's their own label. Got a pocket here. We got a pocket here. And it looks like, what do we got here? The velcro. Oh, there's a pocket on the arm. Is that a pocket? Interesting. There's a pocket on the sleeve there. Well, I can't wait to try this stuff on and check it out later. I didn't realize on their site that there was a pocket here and a shoulder and a pocket on the arm, plus the side pockets, the breast pockets I could call it. There's the breast pockets. What I'm familiar with in the military is we had your two top pockets and your two side pockets here, but we didn't have them in the arms. So that's interesting. That's unique. We'll be checking that out. And we've got here a nice looking high quality pair of pants, also from them, the same company. So let me see here, we've got our normal pockets here. We've got the, well, it's got a snap on it. There's a pocket here for on the thigh. And interesting, there's a tab for your key ring. Oh, there's another pocket in between that pocket and your leg. There's a zipper here. Boy, this is really loaded here. What do we got here? Oh, for breathing. Look at that. There's a mesh net on the side of your leg for airflow. Interesting. That's unique. They got some interesting, unique reinforcements here on the crotch area. It looks like for breathing. I'm really going to have to check out the specs on this. I'm curious. Looks really interesting. Now let me see down here, further down the knee. We've got, let me see here. There's some extra heavy-duty reinforced knee area. See all the side stitching in here, and the knee is actually bowed out to take the wear and tear. And I read something on their site about how their clothing is designed for the extra wear and tear. Now there's some interesting setup here. I can get my hand in here. Does that go through? No. Very curious. So this looks like it's just an added sew-on reinforcement because there's space down in here. So that's just a reinforcing area for the knee. Down here there's another zipper on the ankle for breathing room. Look at that. Pretty cool. Now down here is a snap, and that can zip open or up or down. And you can just widen it up. I wonder if that's to account for any different size boots or what. It looks like it's a mesh netting for air breathing, for air. And then you can tighten it. There's two different adjustments there. Oh, we got something else right here. What do we got in here? Huh. There's a clip. They got all kinds of stuff built into these pants. I'll tell you what, there's a lot more to it than what you see on the internet at first glance. I'm curious what that tab is for there. These are some serious quality clothing with a lot of things, a lot of thought put into it, a lot of engineering. So your one on the back pocket, you've got a zipper, and on the other side you've got a snap. So you've got two pockets, one zippered and one with a snap. Going on further down, we've got the this unique set here. This area on the back of your knee feels like it's going to be more breathable, although it's pretty thick. I'll be interested to see how that wears. Well, pretty cool, guys. We got some really, really nice clothing here from Tru Spec. So stay tuned for the full reviews of my new pants, boonie cap, and my BDU shirt from Tru Spec. Check it out, guys. In the meantime, you can check out their site. I'll put the links down in the video description and in the comments below. And you guys can get a jump start and go ahead and buy some products if you want. From first glance, and seriously from the feel, this is some hardcore, serious quality stuff. I can see the ripstop built into the BDUs. It reminds me of my my military clothing. There's ripstop all in the pants too, in the fabric. But with the pants, it's so many different types of cloth and fabric here. I really am going to have to get these on and take them out in the field and see how it feels. So stay tuned for the videos coming soon. And of course, I'll be wearing these hunting, camping, fishing, hiking, whatever we do in the next couple weeks here. So stay tuned for it all. And thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Check out the company and the contacts below. And talk to you guys later. This is Troy from TR Tech Tactical and Survival.